applicable only for weak electrolyte. So here we complete the Oersted law of dilution. Okay. Hello students. Last period मध्ये आपण Oersted law of dilution हा पार्ट कन्सिडर केला वीक ॲसिड साठी. नंतर Oersted law of dilution तो वीक बेस साठी सेम क्रायटेरिया असणार आहे. त्यामुळे हे तुम्ही स्वतः करू शकता बाय रायटिंग दिस डिसोसिएशन B प्लस ॲक्वियस OH मायनस ॲक्वियस KB concentration of B plus concentration of OH minus BOH. जे आपण पाठीमागचं इक्वेशन 1 लिहिलं होतं ॲसिडसाठी ते इक्वेशन बेससाठी आणि पुढचा पार्ट सेम असणार आहे. Oersted law of dilution काय सांगतोय ते आपण सांगितलं होतं. अल्फा इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू स्क्वेअर रूट ऑफ डायल्यूशन और अल्फा इज इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू स्क्वेअर रूट ऑफ कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन. आणि म्हणून आपण स्टेटमेंटही केलं होतं द डिग्री ऑफ डिसोसिएशन ऑफ वीक इलेक्ट्रोलाइट इज directly proportional to square root of dilution or inversely proportional to square root of concentration. This Oersted law of dilution is applicable only for weak electrolyte, weak acids and weak bases, not for strong electrolytes. तो strong साठी का असणार नाही ते आपण लास्ट पिरियड मध्ये डिस्कस केलेलं. and now next part of this topic is attoionization of water and ionic product of water. Attoionization of water. So attoionization of water, attoionization and ionic product of water. Attoionization and ionic product of water. Water is weak electrolyte. As this water is a weak electrolyte, why? Because it dissociates into small extent, very small extent. So water is the very weak electrolyte. In fact, water मध्ये H plus ion हा कधीच असणार नाही. तो कुठल्या फॉर्म मध्ये असतो? H3O plus, ज्याला आपण हायड्रोनियम आयन म्हटलं होतं. So actual dissociation of water like this H2O, that is twice of H2O, that gives H3O plus aqueous and OH minus aqueous. This is the actual dissociation of water. Waterचं actual dissociation कसं होतं? H3O plus and OH minus ion, but behavior of H3O plus ion is very similar to the H plus ion. म्हणजेच काय, हायड्रोनियम आयनची बिहेवियर ही H plus ion सारखीच असते आणि म्हणून किंवा फॉर कन्व्हिनियन्स वी कन्सिडर दिस H plus ion instead of H3O plus ion. म्हणजे हायड्रोनियम आयनच्या ऐवजी आपण H plus ion लिहित असतो. But actual dissociation मात्र like this formation of hydronium ion. So water is what type of electrolyte? Water is the weak electrolyte. So very simple. Again we consider the above part H3O plus H2O, that gives the H plus and OH minus ion. Apply the law of mass action. K is equal to concentration of H plus into concentration of OH minus ion upon concentration of H2O according to law of mass action. Product of concentration of products upon concentration of reactant. But you know that water is what type of electrolyte? Water is the weak electrolyte. As it is the weak electrolyte, म्हणजेच काय, extent of dissociation is very small. And therefore practically concentration of water remains constant. Therefore we write concentration of water that remain constant, and for this constant we write the K dash. असं का घेतलं आपण? कारण वॉटरचं डिसोसिएशन फार कमी प्रमाणात होतं, म्हणजे ॲक्च्युअल वॉटर ॲज इट इज राहतो त्याचं कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन प्रॅक्टिकली कॉन्स्टंट घेतलं जातं. इफ एनी वन ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रोलाइट डिसोशिएट इन टू व्हेरी व्हेरी स्मॉल एक्सटेंट, इट्स कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन प्रॅक्टिकली रिमेन कॉन्स्टंट. आणि म्हणून म्हटलंय काय आपण, कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन ऑफ वॉटर रिमेन कॉन्स्टंट, देअरफॉर K इज इक्वल टू कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन ऑफ H प्लस into concentration of OH minus upon K dash, cross multiplication K into K dash, that is equal to concentration of H plus into concentration of OH minus ion, and K into K dash. K is constant, K dash is also constant, that is the product of two constant is also constant, that is represented by Kw, and this Kw is equal to concentration of H plus into concentration of OH minus ion, and is known as the ionic product of water. So Kw is known as the ionic product of water. This Kw is known as the ionic product of water. So very simple. आताच मी काय सांगितलं, water dissociate like this. Apply the law of mass action. Water is very weak electrolyte, therefore concentration of water practically remain constant, taken as the K dash. Write the concentration of water as a K dash, cross multiplication K into K dash equal to concentration of H plus into concentration of OH minus ion. मग K into K dash त्याला काय म्हटलं आपण, Kw, and Kw ला काय म्हटलं आपण, Kw is the ionic product of water. So what is ionic product of water? Kw, which is equal to concentration of H plus into concentration of OH minus ion. So what is the ionic product? The product of concentration of H plus and OH minus ion in pure water is known as the ionic product of water. So what is ionic product of water? Ionic product of water. So what is ionic product of water? The product of concentration of H plus and OH minus ions in pure water is known as the ionic product of water. What is the ionic product of water? The product of concentration of H plus and OH minus ion in pure water is known as the ionic product of water, and this ionic product is represented as a Kw, and this value of ionic product also depends on temperature. So at 298 Kelvin, this Kw is equal to 1 into 10 raised to minus 14. What is value of Kw? Therefore in water Kw ची value काय, concentration of H plus into concentration of OH minus ion, that is equal to 1 into 10 raised to minus 14. This is the ionic product of water. This value is very important, म्हणून नेहमी लक्षात ठेवायची. Ionic product of water त्याची व्हॅल्यू किती, 1 into 10 raised to minus 14. 1 into 10 raised to minus 14. But in water, always remember, in water concentration of H plus is equal to concentration of OH minus ion. वॉटर मध्ये काय असतं, जेवढं H plus चं कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन तेवढंच OH minus चं कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन. देअरफॉर कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन ऑफ H plus into concentration of OH minus, OH minus equal to H plus, म्हणून OH minus ची व्हॅल्यू आपण काय टाकू, H plus, because both the concentrations are same, that is equal to 10 raised to minus 14. Therefore H plus, concentration of H plus square, that is equal to 10 raised to minus 14. आणि मग मी इथे लिहित होते concentration of H plus square is equal to 10 raised to minus 14, and taking square root on both sides, therefore concentration of H plus is equal to what, 10 raised to minus 7. Taking square root on both sides. So in water, what is concentration of H plus ion? 10 raised to minus 7. Therefore, we see that in water, concentration of H plus ion is equal to concentration of OH minus ion, that is equal to 10 raised to minus 7 mole per liter. And when concentration of H plus equal to OH minus equal to 10 raised to minus 7, what is the nature? Nature is neutral. So water is neutral. म्हणून लक्षात ठेवायचं आहे, when concentration of H plus equal to concentration of OH minus, that is equal to 10 raised to minus 7, then its nature is neutral. So this is the ionic product of water. Ionic product of water is the Kw. What is the ionic product of water? Product of concentration of H plus and OH minus ion in pure water. And what is the value of ionic product of water at 298 Kelvin? It is equal to 10 raised to minus 14. It is equal to 10 raised to minus 14. So this is about the ionic product of water. So remember what is the ionic product of water, and also remember in water what is the concentration of H plus ion? 10 raised to minus 7. What is the concentration of OH minus ion? Also equal to 10 raised to minus 7. In water, concentration of H plus equal to concentration of OH minus equal to 10 raised to minus 7. This is the ionic product of water. So this is ionic product of water. And now next part, which is very important, that is the pH and pOH. So pH and pOH. What is the pH and pOH? pH and pOH. P for power, P for potential, P for strength, potential, or it is the strength. pH and pOH. It is used to determine the concentration of H plus ion and concentration of OH minus ion. So what is the pH? pH. P represent the potential, P represent the strength. So first, what is the pH? pH. pH is given by the formula minus log to the base 10 of H plus ion concentration. This is the pH. Or we see that also equal to, that is the log of 1 upon concentration of H plus ion to the base 10. So what is the pH? The negative logarithm to the base 10 of H plus ion concentration is known as the pH. What is the pH? pH is nothing but it is the pH is the negative logarithm to the base 10 of, pH is the negative logarithm to the base 10 of H plus ion concentration. H plus ion concentration, that is the pH. So what is the pH? Negative logarithm to the base 10 of H plus ion concentration is the pH, and this equation shows that concentration of H plus ion increases, pH decreases. This means that H plus ion concentration and pH is inversely proportional to each other. So this is the pH. Remember this pH. Then what is the pOH? pOH is given by the formula minus log to the base 10 of OH minus ion concentration. We also write that is the log to the base 10 1 upon concentration of OH minus ion. So this is about the pH and pOH. What is pH? Negative log to the base 10 of H plus ion concentration. What is pOH? Negative logarithm to the base 10 of OH minus ion concentration. And always remember, pH is inversely proportional to H plus ion concentration, and pOH is also inversely proportional to OH minus ion concentration. These two formulae which are very very important. याच्यावरती नंबर ऑफ न्यूमेरिकल्स असतात, सीईटीला क्वेश्चन्स असतील, नीटला असतील, जेईला असतील. pH minus log to the base 10 of H plus ion, pOH minus log to the base 10 of OH minus ion. This is about the pH and pOH. Then there is one simple derivation. pH plus pOH equal to 14. pH plus pOH equal to 14. So many times this question was asked for the board exam. pH plus pOH equal to 14. pH plus pOH equal to 14. pH that represent the H plus ion concentration, pOH for the OH minus ion concentration. How to obtain this expression? So you know that ionic product of water is ionic product of water is what is H plus into concentration of OH minus, that is equal to Kw. Concentration of H plus into concentration of OH minus, that is equal to Kw, and that is equal to 10 raised to minus 14. Therefore we also write that concentration of H plus into concentration of OH minus, that is equal to 10 raised to minus 14. Taking negative logarithm to the base 10 to both side, दोन्ही बाजूला negative log to the base 10 घ्यायचं. Taking negative log to the base 10, therefore log to the base 10 in bracket concentration of H plus into concentration of OH minus, that is equal to 10 raised to minus 14. Taking negative log to the base 10 to both side of equation, log to the base 10 of 10 raised to minus 14. Therefore minus sign आपण ब्रॅकेटच्या बाहेर ठेवू, that is equal to log to the base 10 H plus. You know that log A into B is equal to what? Log A plus log B. Log negative sign keep as it is. Log H plus into OH minus. So log H plus log to the base 10 of OH minus, concentration bracket complete, that is equal to that is equal to, we also write that is equal to minus 14 log 10. काय केलं आपण या स्टेप मध्ये? टेकिंग निगेटिव्ह लॉग टू द बोथ साइड ऑफ इक्वेशन. देन we also write that minus all this bracket log to the base 10 of H plus ion concentration plus again minus log to the base 10 of OH minus ion concentration, that is equal to 14. Value of log 10 is 1. Log 10 ची व्हॅल्यू किती? log 10 1 minus log to the base 10 of H plus ion concentration. But by definition you know that minus log to the base 10 of H plus ion concentration is equal to pH, minus log to the base 10 of OH minus ion concentration, that is equal to pOH. It is by definition of pH and pOH, and therefore this above equation become, put the value of minus log to the base 10 of H plus ion is equal to pH. Therefore above equation become pH plus, what is this value? Minus log to the base 10 of OH minus ion, pOH. Therefore pH plus pOH, that is equal to 14. So remember this one, pH plus pOH is equal to 14. This is very important relation. मी परत एकदा सांगतोय, pH is equal to minus log to the base 10 of H plus ion concentration, pOH is equal to minus log to the base 10 of OH minus ion concentration, and finally we also write that pH plus pOH equal to 14. So remember this relation, pH plus pOH, that is equal to 14, and this is the pH and pOH. Now next is the pH scale. So what is the pH scale? मग pH scale काय असणार आहे? What is the pH scale? It is the scale given by the Sorensen, name of the scientist, which express the H plus ion concentration conveniently, is known as the pH scale. What is the pH scale? pH scale you know that pH plus pOH equal to 14. pH plus pOH equal to 14. What is the pH scale? The scale given by the Sorensen. Scale given by the Sorensen, name of the scientist, which express the H plus ion concentration very conveniently, is known as the pH scale. The scale given by Sorensen, which express the H plus ion concentration by simple method, is known as the pH scale. So this is the pH scale. It expresses the H plus ion concentration by simple method, is known as the pH scale. What is this pH scale? pH scale, it gives the pH as well as H plus ion concentration. This is, it represents the pH 0, 7, 14. That is the pH. Then H plus ion concentration. When pH equal to 0, H plus ion concentration is 1. When pH equal to 7, H plus ion concentration is 10 raised to minus 7. pH equal to 14, H plus ion concentration is 10 raised to minus 14, because you know that pH is equal to minus log to the base 10 of H plus ion concentration. Suppose your pH is, suppose it is the 1. pH is 1. So H plus ion concentration is 10 raised to minus 1. This is known as the pH scale. It expresses the H plus ion concentration by simple methods. What is the importance or what is the significance? What is significance of pH scale? Significance of pH scale. Significance of pH scale or importance of pH scale. When pH less than 7, it increases the acidity. pH less than 7, acidity increases. pH more than 7, then basicity increases, and when pH is 7, solution become neutral. So this is the significance of pH scale. What is significance of pH scale? First, pH of solution equal to 7, nature of solution is neutral. Second, pH is less than 7, nature of solution is acidic. And third, pH is greater than 7, nature of solution is basic. This is the importance of pH scale. When pH of solution is 7, what is nature of solution? Neutral. pH less than 7, solution is acidic, and pH greater than 7, solution is basic. What is formula? pH minus log to the base 10 of H plus ion concentration. When H plus ion concentration equal to 10 raised to minus 7, pH is 7. When H plus ion concentration is greater than 10 raised to minus 7, at that time pH is less than 7, and when H plus ion concentration less than 10 raised to minus 7, at that time pH is greater than 7. This first solution is neutral. H plus ion concentration is greater than 10 raised to minus 7, therefore pH less than 7, this solution is acidic and H plus ion concentration is less than 10 raised to minus 7, then solution is basic. So it is very important. Suppose one of the solution whose pH is 10, it is basic. Why? Because pH is 10 means it is more than 7. If solution having pOH is 5, pOH is 5, again what is nature of solution? Basic. Why? pOH is 5, therefore pH is 9. So it is very important criteria to decide the acidity and basicity of solution, and here we complete the what is pH scale and also complete the significance of pH scale. Okay, today stop here.